What if you could replace any face in a video in just a few clicks? Yeah, that's right, you guys. So whether you're talking about movie scenes, memes, any celebrity, or even yourself as well. And you know what's the scary part? It looks very, very real. Yeah, that's right, you guys. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create realistic AI face swap videos using Hitpo Edit Maker, which is one of the easiest AI tools right now in 2026. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, you're gonna come inside of the homepage of Hitpo Edit Maker, and this is the landing page that it provides you, which is basically also a video editor and all-in-one AI platform. So let's just say if you're talking about AI avatar, AI face swap, AI video, AI image, text to image, like you can literally use all the AI latest tools and feature inside of a single AI tool, which is absolutely crazy. So today in this video, we're looking for face swap. So in the home page, I'm gonna simply click on face swap, and it's gonna help me land directly inside of that. And then we have just two easy, simple steps. First of all, you have to import your original video and then import your face. That's it. So for the video, I'll basically be taking this viral Marlin edit, which a lot of people are crazy about. A lot of people are face swapping this into any celebrity or even their own face. So this is a perfect moment to use that. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply drop this video right over here inside of Hitpo Edit Maker. And then before importing your face, make sure you click facial recognition. So what it's gonna do is gonna basically analyze all the facial feature inside of your video, just to make your face swap more and more enhanced and more optimal. So this would be very, very useful for your output. All right, so once your face recognition is done, so the next thing you need to do is you need to import your image. So you can go ahead and import your own face or any other face that you like. But for this video reference, I'll be using this face of Cristiano Ronaldo. I'm gonna be inputting it inside of Marlin Edit. So I'm gonna go ahead and simply drag and drop this inside of Hitpo Edit Maker as well, just like that. And yeah, that's it, you guys. This is all we have to do. No prompting, no nothing whatsoever. Simply then click on Start Face Swapping. And then it's going to take around only a minute or so to complete your generation. So once it's done, I'm going to show you the final output. So yeah, you guys, this is what the final output looks like. Take a look at this, you guys. So yeah, that was absolutely perfect. You know how beautifully it basically face swap. If you can see the side-by-side comparison, the reference video and the final output, they look absolutely perfect. And the face swap turned out to be really, really good, you guys, right? All right, so for our next video, I'm gonna go ahead and take this iconic scene from Michael Jackson, a music video Thriller, and I'm gonna go ahead and animate this. This is basically a perfect meme that you see all the way around on Instagram and so many platforms. So, what would be the best possible way to face swap this into some other person? So I'll be changing the Michael Jackson face to Mark Zuckerberg. That would be a little bit fun. So for that, we're going to do exactly same steps. Go inside of Hitpo Edit Maker. Simply start by uploading your video, your reference video of Michael Jackson over here. And then first of all, make sure to click facial recognition. Yeah, once you did that, it's going to take just like, a few seconds to do that. Okay, so after it's done, so the next step you need to go ahead and, just pick any video from Pinterest or Google of Mark Zuckerberg. Simply upload that to Hitpo Edit Maker just like that. Here we go. And then simply need to click on Start Face Swapping. And after some time, this is what your final output is going to look like.
Cheryl, he's over here. Look, Cheryl, he's over here.
So yeah, that was absolutely fantastic, you guys. Like, take a look at side by side comparison, and how perfect that looks, you guys. Right? Like the face swap is literally insane, and this is how very easily you can do face swapping inside of Hitpaw Edit Maker in just 3 easy steps. So yeah, make sure to try Hitpaw Edit Maker. I'm gonna provide the link down in the description for you guys. Try it for free and start building your face swap videos today. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.